Hey, what's going on, everybody? Redirex here with some news regarding the PACT Act and three new conditions that were deemed to be presumptive by the VA. So the VA put a press release out today on the 14th of June as I'm doing this. Looks like it's going to be effective on the 17th, on Monday, once it clears the Federal Register, or it's supposed to the Federal Register. And there's, like I said, three new cancers that have been added to the presumptive list. Male breast cancer, so for some of you guys who have the gynecomastia, or as we like to call them, man boobs, you could get covered for that. Urethral cancer and cancer of the paraurethral glands. What's that, you say? Well, that's the female version of prostate cancer. It's also called Skene's cancer. Feel free to look that up. But those three conditions have been added to the list. Like I said, looks like it's going to be released to the Federal Register on the 17th of June, 2024. The VA put a press release out about it this morning, so I wanted to get that information out for you. So if you were previously denied for these conditions, and like I said, these are all PACT Act related conditions, so you would have had to have served as a Gulf War veteran, post 9/11 veteran, and have been deployed to Afghanistan, Somalia, Djibouti, Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, Yemen, Uzbekistan, and or the entire Southwest Asian theater of operations, which does include Iraq. Again, these are all presumptive service connection under the PACT Act, so you don't need a medical opinion. If you were there and you got these conditions, service connection will be granted. If you're previously denied for these conditions, and it's in your record, you're going to have to file a supplemental claim, and at some point they're going to get to it, just like they did with hypertension when that was added to the list. Doesn't look like the VA is going to make any decisions immediately on those conditions. They're going to have to put together some sort of policy as far as if they're going to auto re-adjudicate those claims or what exactly they're going to do with those. Those are going to be kind of put on the back burner while they figure out what policy they want to do with that. Same as they did with hypertension when that was added. And if you do have it in your records and you haven't claimed it yet, then it looks like they're going to do a 1 year earlier effective date, but your effective date isn't going to go prior to August 2nd or August 10th, 2022, which is the date the PACT Act was initiated. So that's the quick, brief.
If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, you could join my boot camp at combatcraig.com. If you need medical evidence like a nexus, DBQ filled out, something to support your claim, you can go to combatcraig.com, and up at the top it says medteam/nexus, and it's outlined in green, so you can get everything you need at the website.